Now it is in Wi-Fi, Shandong. Is this at that customer's installation site? This is a set with an output of 5 to 8 tons per hour, made in accordance with relevant national regulations. It's a standard premix machine. What about most of this equipment? So let's take a look at this. This is the part of central control and the raw materials. What about raw materials? The raw material that comes is to put it in this place. Up there is the raw material storage. Go down and measure the ingredients. It's the part of our metering ingredients. Mix on the back. After mixing, there is packaging. Just packing. The equipment doesn't take up much space. The production capacity is not small. The main advantage is that it is designed. The equipment is made in the company. On-site bolt docking and construction assembly. The basic part starts directly on the customer's ground. So be it. The basic investment in that customer has been greatly reduced. Because of design. When designing, the overall load bearing is evenly distributed over 6 pillars. This is rather stable for the overall balance of the device. The first is the central control part. Central control part. Is this the procedure developed by our company? We wrote it all by ourselves. Control with remote control. The flowchart of each device is included. The inspection status will be displayed on this screen. If you want that remote control, just put this control cabinet. Access to the internet. Wireless Wi-Fi is also available. After connecting, there is a mobile phone control app. And then there's the computer in our office. The TV at home. You can see the status of our equipment production. And the data reports of the equipment, etc. This is the topmost layer of our device. That is, the raw materials are put in through the feeding port on that ground. This way, one is rotation. Rotary distributor. Which warehouse do you need to feed into? He will specify which warehouse to put the raw materials in. This is the small material feeding port of the equipment. This itself is a pulse burner. When feeding, we open the lid. The light will be on because of the paint. When the light is on, it will give instructions to the people above us. We need to make small investments. After putting the material in, we close the lid. Click the paint finish button. Our computer will receive the signal. It automates the next step. Automatic control. This is the vertical lift with our equipment. The main function is to put the small materials we need to invest. Bring it up to the platform, or when using something else. That's all. Above, it stops automatically. It stops automatically when it arrives. This fence opens up to levels. Take things out after opening the 2-story door. Be sure to close the door when you fall. Simple and practical, and high safety factor. Mainly because it is a chain. The chain is not that kind of wire rope. Absolutely not messy. This is the second layer of our second layer device. There are 4 raw material warehouses here. The raw material warehouse adopts this square design. Increase its volume in a limited space. Its blanking speed is also very good. Liquidity because raw materials are more mobile. And this is the mixer. Biaxial blade mixer. This mixer mixes fast. High uniformity. The bottom bar uses a large door. Then this stirring blade. We'll go straight to the bottom of that blender. No residue, no residual stirring in discharge. Generally, stir a batch of materials in 3 minutes. The loading factor is 0.8, 1 ton at a time. This is the lower floor. Bottom floor. This is a metering match. Material measuring scale. This way, it's a pulse effect. His one is specially followed by the packaging machine at the back. For storage. This one on my right. This is the lower part of our vertical camera. It is all protected under the hole. Protective net. This one. This measuring scale is passed through the 4 warehouses above. A spiral with 4 metered ingredients. The screw handle material is precisely delivered according to our formula. This is measured. Blender once. All the raw materials required. Exact measurement is here. After the second lift of this elevator, send it to the mixer above. Mix and stir. After stirring, there is a finished product warehouse under the mixer. Put it directly in the finished product warehouse below. Packing. Pack. Here is the packaging machine. It is the packaging of all our finished products. The one on my left is a package of 10 to 50 kilograms. Because the customer needs his finished product. It needs to be 25 kilograms. 30 克 24千克. There are also tons of bags. So, these 2 sides are the 2 packaging forms. 10到50千克 packaging here. Automatic weighing packaging machine. With a charger. The weight comes down. Then it is sent to the sewing machine. Directly the packet. The bag is the rudder. This is the pier bag. Hang directly. 2. Will he be in the process of packing the pier bag? There will be a process of bringing you up and down the pier belt. Pack that pier full. When it's done, it falls down the conveyor belt. Deliver tons of packages to this location. Is it easy to check the car? Ton bag checked away. What about this equipment? It is produced according to national standards. premix feed equipment. You can also use it as a feed additive or concentrate. This is also possible. If you have any questions, we can have each other explore.